welcome back to a new vlog. I am at the Accra Mall at the moment. I am going to meet a subscriber. Yes, a loyal subscriber is in town. So we have scheduled to meet here. She's been around for almost 4 weeks now, and because I'm not in Accra and because of my busy schedule, I've not been able to. But today is Monday. It's a holiday. It's the Eid Adha holiday. So I have some runs to run in Accra. So we scheduled to meet here. As you can see, I came to buy some things for the bridal fan and some few things, and I also got her some African souvenirs. She's not Ghanaian though. She's the person that took me to her house somewhere last year. You who have been around me for some time, I know you are now wondering, where is she now? Has she moved out of Koforidua? Yes, I have moved out from Koforidua, but for this I am super excited to meet her. Yes, I'm going to meet her for the very first time. So hopefully this week I would go to Bekwai, so I'll continue that vlog with it. So this is the current state of the mall. Everybody is here shopping. Guys, she'll be here any moment soon, so I should get a place to put. I'm going to sit. Yeah, I'm going to find a place to sit. I am too tired to go for sightseeing, so I'll find a place to sit, relax, and wait for her. Eventually, I went to MRP. They have dresses, skirts. In fact, they have a lot of things, but I had not budgeted for, so I did not buy any. Besides, my mom buys me most of my dresses, so I had to respect myself, because if I buy anything, she'll be like, and I'll throw it. I said, really, any fool. So when it comes to dresses like this, I would rather go with my mother because I trust her judgments. For generally, I know that there's inflation everywhere, but the way Ghana the is abnormal. Inflation is more than galloping, It is more than galloping. Look at prices of goods and services now. Even more have increased their prices. Those people that cut nails, they have increased their prices to 2 cedis. They'll tell you fuel prices have gone up. Meanwhile, they work anyway. They buy food to eat and pay electricity home. So obviously, when prices increases, they also have to. So this is the VVIP that I was telling you of. You have to meet me. Well, I am done with her. I couldn't vlog because she didn't come alone. There were some people with her, so I could not vlog. But as it stands, I will make time to see her again. So I am going to Medina to pick a bus. I'll pick a bus at Spana to Medina. Then from Medina I'll pick one to Koforidua. So I'll see you when I see you. Dear Mary.
You want salt?
I want salt. No. I want it fresh. So guys, meet the Abele seller. He is in charge of this business under the footbridge at Spana. Look at his style. Ghana. He reps Ghana, and he doesn't use his fingers at all. He uses the tongue. Even the ladies, they use their fingers, but for him, he uses the tongue in his what do I even say? Yeah, so that's him in his office. He's in his shoe, tie, long sleeve, apron. He is very neat. If you want a Bekwai in Accra and you are around Oponglo, you are around Shiashi, you are around Spana, come straight to the footbridge. As you are heading towards, when you descend from Spana, when you are coming from Medina, when you are light, you climb the footbridge. He is under it. If you are coming from the mall, he is under the footbridge. Look at the coconut. It's even covered. The man is neat. Good morning. Yeah, so this is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So when I woke up, my bonnet was somewhere right. It means that the night has been sweet. The night was sweeter. So I woke up with the bonnet somewhere else. Okay, so today I am traveling home. In fact, they've been expecting me and I've missed everybody. But I've been doing shakara here and there. But I have been homesick. Finally, I am leaving today. My joined the Baptist, Nature and Mommy left earlier. They left over a week ago. So I will be going today. I asked the Pragya to come around 6, but trust me, I woke up even before. I think I woke up around 4:45, yeah, and I've been lying down doing nothing since then. But I am happy. I am going. Yesterday they called that Mommy said, well, I think she might have seen me in her dream. I'm not too sure, but that's what I think, because I understand that as soon as she stepped out of bed, she started, Abena. Anyway, that's how she calls me, but that's how Nature calls me. So she was saying Abena, and then in the day when she went to the market, Abia, she was calling my name everywhere. Yesterday now, I have missed it. Okay, so guys, I am finally home. I want to end the vlog here. Okay, so I spoke to my mother yesterday and I requested for Bekwai. So that is what she's up to. I want to say thank you for watching from the beginning up to this time. Yes, I am on the land of fufu, so I will try my best to eat fufu at least once a day. So I yes, yeah. So until I come your way with another video, keep safe, and whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. I leave the peace and the message of the Most High. Peace. Oh yeah, say shalom and chop peace. Bye bye. I've not seen Mommy yet. She's with her grandmother. If she should see me now, all hell will break loose. Uncle be also. Me take a break at man. Why? Bye bye.